Hello viewers, welcome to the course. Today my topic is Free Transform Tool. In this video, we will learn that how we can use Free Transform Tool in CorelDraw. We can rotate, scale, angle rotation and skew any object with using Free Transform Tool. So for example, I draw a rectangular. Now select the Free Transform tool from here. So you can see the property bar of Free Transform tool. First we have Free Rotation tool. Select this. This allows us to freely rotate this object anywhere in any way. You can see where we want, we can rotate it just like that. Then we have Free Angle Reflection tool. Select this, and so we can change the angle freely like that. Which angle you want, you can do it from here. Then we have Free Scale tool. We can make it bigger and smaller how much we want, just like that. Now we have Free Skew tool. Select this and skew this rectangular like that. That how you want, you can do it from here. So in that way we can use Free Transform tool. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.